Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you folks about the Boston Whaler 2020 33 Outrage. A phenomenal boat. It's in the beautiful steel hull, steel blue color on the hull. It's gorgeous. The dive door right there. Profile's fantastic. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 330. Let's start at the back of the boat. We're powered by the twin Mercury 300s. Ton of horsepower for this boat. The new lighter engines, phenomenal engines. Very large live well in the back. Plenty of room for your bait back here. If you're not fishing for the day, you got a very comfortable seat. If you are fishing, it just easily folds right up. You got a beautiful leaner post with the rod holders here. As you move around to the dive door, great for getting on and off the boat on a dock, from a dock, and also as far as bringing the fish in. Phenomenal way to get it in right into the fish boxes, and also getting in by water, quick and safe right here as well. Back onto this side, nice comfortable seat that doubles as a second live well, and it's another large. So you got two very large live wells here, and it's also a cutting board and prepping for preparing food, cutting fish, all that type of stuff. So it's a great setup there. We move to the helm area. It's got two touchscreen Raymarines, so you have all you need as far as electronics right here. You get the joystick. It is phenomenal. I can make the boat go sideways. I get complete control of the boat. It's got skyhook, locks me into one place, which is fantastic. And it also has an auto heading, which is an autopilot. Very simple to operate. Love this option. We move around. We got a jump seat right here, so nice folds down for a nice comfy seat for some of it. And then very large head. So we've got a vacuum flush, plenty of room in there to store stuff, change your clothes. Very large, and it's also where they store the ladder for the dive door in there. If we move to the bow, very comfortable lounger, two-person. Actually, you could have three if you wanted. And then gigantic storage. Plenty of room for everything. Fenders, lines, you name it, equipment. You can put dive tanks down here. You can also keep half dozen fishing rods, and you can lock it. Then nice comfortable U-shaped seating up here with fish boxes here and here. And then you've got your windlass down there with a nice platform with very wide gunnels. Finish it off with radar on the top. Boat's got everything. It's going to do everything you want. Short rides, long rides, you name it, it'll do it. So if you got any questions or would like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.